One of the most photographed sites in the John Day fossil beds is the Painted Hills, close to Mitchell. Its rolling gold and rusty-colored hills are strikingly beautiful.
In the Painted Hills, we find leaf impressions of pine, alder, oak, and rose.
Secular paleontologists suggest that thick forests grew here, mainly of hardwoods. They also say that rainfall was approximately 40 inches a year. The best modern example of this environment and weather is seen in mainland China.
To explain the formation of the Painted Hills using secular ideas, 3 different lakes and floodplain environments are used, with drawing and time gaps between, over some 40 million years past.
This time is needed to allow for the development of flora, one above the other, and sufficient time for erosion and the destruction of the previous environment. Yet, there are some major challenges with this idea, because the evidence of long ages is not readily apparent.
If a forest grew here, we should see tree limbs and maybe small root balls, but none of that is found. We should even find some coal from the decaying trees, but none of it is there.
There are some black smears in the beds, but they are permineralized wood and not significant compared to what we should expect from an ancient forest growing here. We also know that it only rains an average of 14 inches a year in this region, but the fossil vegetation here grows in a much more lush environment. These type of fossils are what we would expect to find from a pre-flood environment.